What do you get when you combine patience, vision, and determination with an 8-acre island in the middle of Biscayne Bay? Well, today you're going to find out. Welcome to episode 5 of the South Florida Life. In 2016, I took a helicopter tour to see firsthand the progress being made by BH3 Development and Gary Cohen on this unique development known as Prive Island Estates. Fast forward 3 years to 2019, where I find exceptional value, and so we begin a new tour. Moving through the illustrious landscape grounds of Williams Island, we find a private road through Island Estates leading to a gatehouse where only few may enter. Welcome to Prive Island Estates. Friends, good afternoon. This is Ashton Coleman, and I'm excited to bring to you Prive Island Estates. We're here in Aventura on an 8-acre island coming to you from Penthouse A. At over 10,000 square feet, the property is extraordinary. We have 2 levels, up to 17-foot high ceilings, and with a flow-through floor plan, the views are magnificent both east and west. Come with me and take a tour of this awesome home. Let's go. Entering the private foyer, we find over 5,000 total square feet on the first level alone, with a flow-through floor plan spanning east towards Sunny Isles Beach and west to the city of Aventura. Entering this beautiful bathroom suite, we find a jet-powered soaking tub, a dual-head rain shower for 2, walls and floors covered in porcelain, and dual sinks from this floating master vanity. The kitchen comes with coated Mealy and Sub-Zero stainless steel appliances so the fingerprints won't show, double ovens, double dishwashers, and marble countertops. Developed on South Florida's last private island, Prive offers an exclusive lifestyle with exceptional amenities, concierge services, and absolute privacy, all surrounded by open air, sea, and sky. With a prestigious address like 5500 Island Estates Drive, the location is superb. We're 30 minutes in either direction to Miami and Fort Lauderdale International Airports, 20 minutes to Gulfstream Park, 15 minutes to Bal Harbour Shops, and 5 minutes to all things Aventura. Moving up to the second level, we find an additional 5,000 plus total square feet, which is currently outfitted specifically to entertain. And with 17-foot high ceilings, this space is impressive. One of only 16 penthouse properties, the West Side Terrace, comes with a barbecue kitchen for these amazing South Florida days and a swimming pool big enough for friends and family. Behind me here we have a private marina with dock space up to 150 feet, and the amenities are amazing. Let me show you. Love is gonna set me free. These next Next level amenities include a 2-story, 10,000 square foot gym and spa containing a Cybex weight room overlooking Biscayne Bay. The spa at Prive is perfect for rest and relaxation with men's and women's dry saunas, steam rooms, and private massage rooms. Prive offers its residents an owner's lounge, including a wine storage and tasting room and a cigar room to celebrate with friends, entertain, and unwind. I had the privilege of eating here with the Master Broker Forum, and not only did it accommodate over 100 of Miami's top brokers, but more importantly, the food was excellent. Social rooms are warm and inviting with elegant furniture and decor, along with an adjacent billiards table and a separate teen room taking family-friendly to a whole new level. Within these amenity-rich grounds, we also find a jogging path, pet grooming, guest suites, a business center, a lighted tennis court, and a playground where everybody will be entertained. And so I thank you for joining me today at Prive Island Estates and welcome you too to enjoy the South Florida life.